$150 in products from our friends from the luxury skincare line, Donnabella.
This luxury skincare line, you're going to feel pampered. You're going to feel like you've been at a spa. Let's start over here. This is the Donnabella Daily Rejuvenating Skin Treatment Set. All right, it's a set. It includes a deep moisturizer for every day, so it's great for that dry, flaky skin, which we all have this time of year. It also has a resurfacing night cream. This has 24 karat gold particles inside the night cream there, okay? So it's got vitamins, nutrients. You're going to go to sleep. You're going to wake up just glowing. And then there's a daily facial peel, all right? This is a peel. Again, you can use it every single day. It's designed to deliver all the benefits of a traditional peel without the redness and irritation. Okay, moving on to our eyes. This is the Donnabella Extraordinary Effective Eye Treatment Set. Okay, your eyes are super important as you get older. This includes an eye cream that's going to help diminish the under eye dark circles, which I battle daily. I put cover up on those every single morning, a lot of it. It's going to make your eyes look brighter. Also, there's an eye serum in this. Okay, so we're paper thin under here, you guys. We need the vitamins and the minerals. This, guys, this is what our TCL makeup artist calls the hero product. This is the Donnabella 60-second instant facelift. You're going to put it on. It actually looks like a syringe, but it's not. It's just a product, but it's really going to give you that lifted look. The results, they're instant. You put it on, let it dry. 60 seconds, your skin is going to feel tighter. I put it on yesterday. I thought, my forehead feels tighter. It feels kind of like, whoo.
All those deals that Kelly just mentioned will be available at 4 o'clock today at TwinCitiesLive.com. As she mentioned, just go there and click on .com deal.